Do you want world-class surf performance and wave adjustability for everyone in your crew? How about luxurious styling, best-in-class comfort, and premium amenities? Stick around for a few minutes so I can tell you why you're going to want one of these, the MasterCraft X22. Within the performance towboat segment, the X22 is highly regarded as the best performer in the 22-foot category in terms of both wave and ride quality. Now let's dive into some details. Starting here at the transom, the X22 features SurfStar, an intelligent, comprehensive system that provides an unmatched surf experience thanks to its reliability, versatility, and ease of use. Simply select a Rapid Surf preset and the X22 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. For those who like to fine-tune, you can also switch over to the Custom Surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding on the X22, cut your wait time in half with the optional Fast Fill ballast. The high-flow pumps used in MasterCraft's Fast Fill technology will fill or drain ballast in about 4 minutes. The X22 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to elevate your experience in the boat. And for those of you who spend lots of time behind the wheel, you can upgrade your X22 with the most powerful stern thruster on the market. It's able to pivot the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. Plus, the thruster control is integrated into the throttle knob, making it the most intuitive and easy-to-use thruster out there. As far as getting in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. Speaking of the walkthrough, there's also additional built-in storage underneath. It's a very functional spot to toss items like vests and tow ropes. Last but certainly not least, the X22 comes with our deep, plush, patented Transom Lounge seats. These are often referred to as the best seats in the house, especially when the optional footrest is added. With seating for up to 16 people, the X22 has an inviting cockpit space. The U-shaped seating is perfect for socializing, and the extensive under-seat storage and built-in cooler location is ideal for entertaining. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversation in the boat or watch the action behind it. Stay cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. No need to shy away from rich colors that complement your custom design. Plus, 2025 brings some exciting new vinyl and gel options to the MasterCraft palette, like this one. The X22 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area, and they can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging. Packed with clipped audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the X22. Our advanced audio package has 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer. The premium audio package includes additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer for extra bass. Now let's chat towers. The X22 can be equipped with 3 different tower options: the Z6, the Z8, and the Z10. All towers come with easy-to-use clamping board racks, and power board racks are also available. Combined with our convenient Bimini board storage, you get an industry-leading 10 spots for boards. You can now upgrade from the standard silver Z6 tower to an all-black Z6 tower, and the Z8 and the Z10 can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design. Lastly, up to 4 speakers can be added to the tower for the ultimate experience behind the boat. The Helm Area of the X22 has been completely redesigned for 2025. A dual screen configuration is now standard on the X22, and both of those screens are larger than the previous generation. You'll now be greeted by a sleek 15-inch center display and a massive 12-inch touchscreen off to the right side of the helm. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make it even more intuitive and immersive. Additionally, to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys, coupled with the rotary dial, allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. We didn't stop there either. The 2025 X22 has a new Helm Seat design that offers unmatched ergonomics and comfort, as well as beautiful modernized aesthetics. Below the dash, the X22 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone full of power. The X22 has the iconic pickle fork bow that was introduced to the towboat segment by MasterCraft over 20 years ago. Sturdy, built-in armrests make the space feel refined and welcoming. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if your crew prefers playpen seating. There's plenty of underseat storage in the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. While the behind-the-boat experience on the X22 is second to none, it's also worth mentioning that our team of naval architects designed the X22 hull to deliver a smooth, dry ride that sets a new standard in the towboat segment. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an incredible on-water experience. With the X22, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for electronic brakes or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. Now let's talk about what powers the X22. The Ilmor 6.2-liter GDI offering 430 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. This engine, coupled with the new fresh air intake, means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance even on the hottest summer days. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design all of our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines, and they're revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's exactly why MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty. 7 years or 1,000 hours. And reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. New for 2025, you can even switch off your battery remotely once you leave the lake house. Needless to say, our telematics platform leverages the latest and greatest technology to provide reassurance and convenience. Lastly, every X22 comes standard with MasterCare. We have your back thanks to a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn more about the X22. If you'd like to get on the water to experience the MasterCraft difference for yourself, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.